So today I'm going to assemble a box I cut out on the laser. I'll just show you how to do that. So here's the box in action. So you see how it all fits together. And then we use it to hold the spices. And then you could like engrave your name on it or what is in it. Or, you know, put something on there. You could even cut little handles. It was quite cool. So I thought I'd show you what I'm doing with the laser. So I sent you a picture of the spice box. So this is actually the spice box and it's all cut out. So it's a piece of 3mm hardboard, and then the laser just runs through from the plan you've done and cuts it out for you. So once it's cut out, you just basically pop out the pieces like a puzzle, and all the bits and pieces come out, and you just pull it apart and you pull the edging off. Sometimes it doesn't come apart as easily, and I just fit this onto a sheet, so it's a little bit tight. It's easier when you make these things a little bit bigger. But anyway, this will slot into that. Let's see, so you still got little things in here. So this one's a bit finicky because I made it really tight. But basically that fits in like that. Oh, all the way out. This fits in here like that, and then you actually build up your box. So this is actually not the spice rack. This is a box I made. So there's the box, and then basically put the sides and the bottom together, and it all slots together. They're very cool. This is me trying to video myself. I'm not very successful. We'll see what comes out. Alright, so I've been trying to GoPro and sort out all these gadgets to try and get a video of this, but anyway, we'll try. This is an option. It's now stuck onto the side of the fridge. We'll see if this works. Okay, so basically these pieces just slot in together. And I forgot to get a hammer to just tap them into place. So this hammer is probably a little bit heavy for this job. It's more like the axe murderer, but that's what I could find. So probably a smaller hammer, but basically what I'll do is put these pieces together like this. Just line up the little finger joints, F finger joints to be precise, and we just tap them into place. And you can actually set it, the laser, so it actually cuts these little joints either tighter or looser. I made mine quite tight, so I don't even need glue. I just knock them together like that. And then I'll do a side like this.